Hi everyone. Approaching the weekend, but I need to talk because while we're out in the kitchen cooking dinner, answering emails, doing life, scammers are out here cooking up some wild stuff with AI. And I don't mean the old school African prince type of scams. Nah, I'm talking about hyper-realistic AI-powered, voice-cloned, face-generated scams that can fool your mom, your best friend, your boss, and even you if you're not paying attention. Let me paint a picture. You're in the middle of something. Your phone rings. It's your brother's name on the screen. His voice comes through in a panic. "I'm in trouble. I need money fast. Please don't tell anyone." Your heart drops. You rush to help. But guess what? That wasn't your brother. It was AI, mimicking his voice, his tone, maybe even pulling clips from his TikToks or Instagram videos. All they needed was a few seconds of audio to create a convincing fake. And this is just one example. We've got AI pretending to be your bank, asking for verification codes. Emails from your CEO asking you to wire money or buy gift cards. Investment pages promising AI-powered crypto profits with 0% risk. Even fake tech support calling to fix a non-existent problem on your device. And I get it. The internet's overwhelming already. Now add AI scams into the mix. But here's what I want you to know. You don't have to be a cybersecurity expert to protect yourself. Trust your gut. If something feels weird, don't ignore it just to be polite. Double check everything. Call the person back using a number you know. Go to the real website, not the link they send. Talk to your circle. Have these convos with your family, your coworkers, your parents. AI scams thrive in silence. Take your time. The second someone tries to rush you, pause. Scammers want panic. We choose clarity. And if you ever feel like, damn, I don't even know what's real anymore, you're not alone. That's why I'm here. I'll bring you all you need to know to stay safe on this internet. Just real talk in real places like this one. Because digital safety isn't just a tech thing. It's a life thing. It's a family thing. It's a protect your business, protect your mental health, protect your money type of thing. So while I go make me tea, let me ask you, have you seen a scam that looked too real to be fake? Have you ever almost clicked something that made you stop and go, wait a minute? Drop your story in the comments. Sharing is protecting each other. And trust me, what almost got you could be what saves someone else. Tap that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with someone who still thinks scams are easy to spot. CybLynx on your side, you're always one step ahead. Catch you in the next one.